guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Kyla Lou, and today we're going to be covering how to angle a section or row in your ClickFunnels account. If that is something you are interested in, then let's dive into the video. If you guys haven't had a chance to grab ClickFunnels yet, or you're looking into it, there is a link down below where you can grab 2 free weeks of ClickFunnels. I absolutely love using this software. All right, so I am here in my ClickFunnels account in my test funnel. And so you just go onto whatever page you want to edit in and click on Edit Page. And now that our template has loaded up into ClickFunnels, I'm going to scroll down here and see where this plus sign is, Add New Section. We're going to click Add New Section, and we're going to make it full width. Now let's add some spice to this section so we can see it, aka color. Ooh, that's a fun color. I like that. And let's add a column with a headline. All right, and now we've got some text that we can work with, so it makes it all just easier to see. Now, the thing we want to do is go here into our section settings and go down here to this pound sign where it says Get CSS Info. And right here where it says CSS ID Selector, we're going to go ahead and copy that entire thing. Exit out. And then we're going to go up here to Settings and scroll down to Custom CSS and select. Now, what we're going to do is copy and paste our section in there. Then what we need to do is curly bracket, space, space, curly bracket. So that is the section we're working with. Then we're going to take our code, which is transform, skew, uppercase Y, the amount of degrees you want to angle your section, and then DEG for degrees. And you can see when I entered that in, it already angled this section, and boom, we have an angled section in ClickFunnels. So I can come up here, I can move the top margin down so it's not encroaching on this other section, and that's how you angle a section in ClickFunnels. Super freaking easy, you guys. And when it comes to angling multiple sections in ClickFunnels, what I would highly recommend is putting a section, just a complete blank empty section in between. That's going to save you when angling multiple sections in ClickFunnels, because I can leave that here, add another section, and do the exact same thing again. Now, if you want to do this for a row, it is the exact same process. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a section here. Let's add a new row. We'll just do one column. Again, let's make this a different color just so we can see it. It's not too hard. Wow, that is very yellow. And then let's add in a headline. This is awesome. Who else talks while they're typing? Because I definitely do that a lot. All right, so then the same thing is here. We're going to go into settings for our row, go down here to Get CSS Info, copy the row ID, exit out of that, go into our custom CSS. So you can see our section takes up 1, 2, and 3. So we're just going to space, paste, curly bracket, and then I'm just going to come up here, Command C, and paste. And if we exit out, boom, you can see that your row is also now angled. And if you go into the CSS, you can change how much it is angled by just changing the degrees. You can do a ton, and that's going to angle it a lot. Do whatever you want there and kind of mess with it. If you want it to go the other direction, we are just going to do -6 degrees. And this looks terrible because we haven't done any editing or design actually to it, But you can see now I've got it angled the other direction. And it's just a cool way to add some dimension into your funnels. It took me forever to figure out how to do this, and I just hope to share it with you guys so you can do it in just a couple minutes. As you guys can see, it's super easy. Don't forget to save, because when you save and preview, you can sometimes see the spacing can be a little off, but you just have to check that when you preview it. So you can see, obviously, the spacing for that yellow row isn't fabulous. So that's when that section that I used in between would come in handy. So right here, I can access my blank section, and I can increase the top margin down. And then also, this row is encroaching onto this section space. So if I did the top margin there, saved it, and previewed it, you can see that the spacing still sucks. Why does it do that? Let's look. So we brought the section down, but I actually think we need to bring the row down. That is why. So let's bring this top margin up just a little bit. By a little bit, I mean all the way. And let's see. Oh, this section, the row is still leaking over into the other one. So let's move the bottom down. There we go. All right, let's see if that looks any better. Let's preview it. There we go. Now the spacing's fixed, and you can adjust it as needed, increasing the padding of the section, the row. Just again, remember, previewing it will always help you out the best. I really sucked at explaining why that looked really funky at the beginning, and basically I was just messing with the sections margins, basically how far away it is from the other section, when I should have been dealing with the rows, because that row actually still came over that other one and the one below. That's why the spacing looked so funky. So there you guys go. That's how you angle a section or row into ClickFunnels. Super, super easy. I hope this helped you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, dudes.